go to the left menu and click on the Create Blog. Select your site from the drop-down. You can create your own blog, just enter the title and add your blog. You can also add an image to your blog. Click on the Submit button and your blog will be added to your website. Or you can create automated blogs. By inserting the keyword and clicking on the Submit button and your blogs will be generated. You can see your all generated blogs on the Man Blogs page. You can also delete any blog from the list. Go to your site, click on Blogs and you can see your all generated blogs.